So here we're making our comet mixture. You do need to be careful when we're working with the dry ice, which is in here, powdered up, because it's very cold and it can attach to the skin and rip it. It can also damage tissue, so like that. So we're going to mix up the comet mixture. We have water and dirt in here right now. A couple impurities, but yeah, most of them removed. So, okay, this will represent methanol. It's just rubbing alcohol. Now this is vinegar. It's going to represent amino acids. So adding the tablespoon of corn syrup. Now we're adding some starch. And mix the ingredients. So, of course I'm not going to add the dry ice with my bare hands or bare eyes. It can harm me, it can harm my eyes, it can harm my skin. So, it's probably better if that doesn't happen, and we want to wear safety gear for that reason. I'm going to start to add the dry ice, or what's left of it. Now it starts vaporizing the water, and so now we need to stir it in, and then we need to bring this bag together. So now we need to smush these ingredients together so that it freezes into a comet and doesn't just stay some sloppy solution. And yep, there are some chunks in there. Some of our baby comets. Now we're gonna see how our comet turned out. Gotta open our original bag, stick our hand in, grab this chunk. Here's a comet.
Making noise.
Yep. Here it's squirting gases out, and it's dark. It's flying through the solar system. More comets. Kind of remind me of orange chicken, except you really shouldn't eat it. I probably shouldn't have left my gloves on it that long. So here we learned our own little lesson. When treating comets, don't use cotton gloves, because the water will seep into it and then the comet will freeze the water, and then you have comet gloves. Well, now let's see its mass. So now it's time to weigh this comet. We have some foil here. And don't worry, we calibrated the scale so it doesn't read the foil. And now, see how much this comet weighs. Almost 300 grams, looks like 280 grams. Just about, maybe 275. So, we started with a mass of roughly 275 grams. After, like, 5 to 7 minutes in the sink, now it is 250 grams. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes and our comet is down to around 230 grams. So it's steadily losing mass. So here's our comet, or our dwarf comet, after being bombarded by the sun and solar winds. and it's turned into kind of a skull, but yeah, you see it's starting to erode a bit. It left quite a bit of a dust and gas trail, and some chunks are missing.